Hey folks, MACT back, and I have these two puddle lights that I bought a while back, and they were the laser Ford logo, and these here had the MACTFORDEDGE logo in them. They're China made, and you can see they're for the Mondeo that we have here. And you know, all I can say is they were expensive, but this set was free. I bought the original set, and they're not everything that they're cracked up to be. The outside rings were very brittle plastic, and eventually what happened was they broke off, and then these lights still work. It's just the logo is gone and the cover here is gone, but they still work, but without the plastic they just don't stay. So I thought I would tear them apart to show you that they're not really lasers. It's sort of a misnomer in the term, but they have the same connectors and everything that are, of course, polarity sensitive, so you got to get them in the right one, and if you don't, then they don't work. But we're going to go ahead and tear these apart to show you what they actually look like on the inside. And as you can see, you have your LEDs right here. You got one LED, two LEDs, three LED, you know, all the LEDs right there. And those. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get our little tool right here. We're going to pry that open, and it comes right out pretty much. Just pops right out. And then you have the wires, and what you do is you can just pull on this or push these wires out of the way. So they just pop out like so, and you have the wires then right like that, and you can tear it apart in this manner. But this is real simple here too. You just pull this out. It's sort of glued, and what it has is it has a little bit of a glue right around here that fits into the base down here. If you can see that, you see that base right here, and you got one little LED right there at the tip of my thing. That right there runs the light through this lens. You see this lens right here? It runs the light right through it, and then it expands it out on this end. Now what's really unique about this, remember the old school slide projectors that you used to have? Well, really simple concept. All they do is they put a little cellophane graphic right here, and you just pull on this just a little bit, and then you can pull it out with your fingers, and then voila, this is what you end up with. And as you can see, look at that, it's all ate up. The heat ate it up and destroyed the little cellophane in there, and there's a plastic piece right in here, right there, but the heat ate up that image, and that image fell apart. So you can of course tear it all apart there, and as you can see, you have this little cellophane plastic piece that you see right there in my finger. It's real tiny. That's all it is. That is all it is, folks, right there. That's it. So you know, same thing for this one is in the same manner. Again, you just take and work it out, peel it out there, and then pull the cords out. You can break the wires off. These things aren't worth anything anyway. Then you just yank it out, and again you just have that little LED. So it's not a laser, folks, it's an LED. That's all it is. Shines the light through there, and again, this one got ate up the same way, folks, as you can see. Just all ate up to death. So that's pretty much it as far as how they're made. So if you really wanted to know how these things are made, there's not much to them. Pretty easy little pieces, not a lot of pieces to it, and then you have the LEDs here, and it looks like maybe this LED had better days on its side. On this side, this one's a little bit better shape, as you can see. So they're both garbage as far as I'm concerned. I bought new ones and put new ones in, but this is how your puddle lights look for the laser logos. So if you were curious, this is how they are made. So nothing else to say on this. You guys have a great day. Make sure you join up MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook and also MACT Garage, along with the MACTGarage.com website. Make sure you visit that, and of course enjoy the music that comes with the Band of One, followed by some one-liners by Mercy Girl. Remember, my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day. You too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.